Good day, fellow traders, and welcome back to the MetraFX Squad channel. Now, this video is a video for beginners, and it is going to answer the question: how do you place your first trade, or how to place your first trade in Metatrader 5? And there are three things that you need. 1, you need a little knowledge about candlesticks. 2, you need a broker, and then 3, you need Metatrader 5. Now, candlesticks is the first thing that every trader should know about. Okay, how the candles look like, the body of the candle, and then how they actually look like. And the next thing you are going to know about, or you should know about, is a broker. A broker is just a company or an organization that facilitates your trades in the forex market. And the next thing you will know about, or you have to know about, is the Metatrader 5. The Metatrader 5 is a platform that allows you to place a trade on a particular instrument with your broker. So that is it. Without wasting much time, let's get to it. Now, for the candlesticks, I'm going to leave a link in the description below, which will take you to an ebook. And it's a very simple book on candlesticks, which is a candlesticks trading Bible. So right after you download that, and then you take a look through, then now you come back and then you check this out. Now, the next thing you are going to look at is you are going to go to Play Store, and then you are going to download Metatrader 5. So if you are using Apple, you are going to open the App Store, and if you are using Android, you open Play Store. So right after you open it, I've already searched it here. So now you're going to go to the search box and then search Metatrader 5 like this. You click on it, then you download. So that is it. I've finished downloading it. Then you open it, you allow, and you accept. Now, so right when you open Metatrader 5, the Metatrader itself will allow you to connect to an existing account, which is from the Metatrader platform. But this is not what you're going to use to trade. Okay, you need to connect to a broker within the Metatrader platform. And so you're going to come here, and then you tap on new account. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to search the name of a broker here in the search box. You'll be able to search the name of a broker in the search box. So I believe that most traders who are watching this video are traders who would like to trade like me, or would like to trade using the derived broker. And so the broker that we use is a derived broker. If you're a beginner, then I'm telling you, it's a derived broker. So you search derived, D-E-R-I-V, derive, and then you're going to tap on the one that says derive.com limited. So once you tap on it, now you are going to click on demo account. You click on it, it will tell you to register like that. And so you write your first name and your last name, and then you type in your phone number. Then you type in your phone number. Like this. Then you type your email. And I normally like to change the leverage to 1:500. Then the deposit amount, you can select any amount of your choice, but I would advise that you select a smaller amount. So you can select $3,000 US. Then you tap on accept. So once you click on register, it will allow you to it will provide you with logins, and these logins are logins to a demo account, just like this. And then you can click on start. Once you click on start, it will open it will connect your derived broker now to MT5, and so the instruments you are seeing are instruments that are being provided by your broker. So that is it. Now you've crossed the first step. The second step, which is getting a broker and connecting it to your MT5. And now the next step, or the last step, which is the most important step, is how to place your first trade. Now, since most of the traders here are derived traders, and specifically boom and crash traders, now you can before you place your first trade, let me show you something. You can join my channel here to be able to get signals which will help you to place your first trade, just like that. I'm going to leave a link in the description below so that you can join the channel and then take signals from there to be able to place your first trade. Let me show you around. Now you are going to enter the search box at the top here like this. Then the instrument that me and my people usually trade is boom and crash. So you are going to click on boom and crash like this. Then you add all the instruments here. These are called trading instruments. So you add them here like this. Then that is it. So now you can be able to add instrument or delete instrument. Now when you click on this pen sign like that, you'll be able to delete some of the existing ones which are here. So let me delete some of these ones here like this. Then you delete. So these are the ones that are left. Now if you want to open a chart, this is how the candlesticks look like. And then this is if you should place a trade. This shows your balance, and then if you should place a trade, the trade will be running here. And this history, this is the history section, and it shows what happened after you placed the trade and then closed it, whether it was profit or it was not. And this is the settings where you can add accounts. So this is derived account. You can add a new account using another broker. So you're just going to search the name of the broker at the top here, then you click on it, which will allow you to either create a demo account or a real account. So this is it. Now if you want to open the chart of any of these instruments, you click on the instrument like this. Then the first one says trade, the second one says chart. Then you click on it, and then you are going to see the chart of the instrument. And then at the upper left corner, you are going to look at what we call the time. And so you'll be able to change the time or the time frame to any time frame of your choice, just like this. Let me open another chart and show you, just like this. Now the most awaited part, how you be able to place your first trade. Now you are going to come to the quotes, which is where you see all the instruments that you are supposed to trade. Now when you click on any of the instruments like this, now the first thing, which is the trade, is what you are going to click on, which is this. Once you click on it like this, you'll be able to execute your first trade. Okay, you'll be able to place your first trade. But before that, you need to read a little about the instrument so that you know about which lot size it's suitable for opening a position using the instrument. So let's start with Euro USD, which is down here. Once you click on it like this, now you are supposed to navigate to the third point, which is the details of the instrument. Once you click it, you scroll down, and then you trace where they've written the minimal volume. And the minimal volume is the smallest lot size that you can be able to use. Lot size is just it just allows you to be able to execute your trades either using bigger portion of your capital or a smaller portion of your capital. So when you look at the minimal volume, you see 0.01. So the first trade that you place, make sure you place a trade with a minimal volume, and every instrument has its own minimal volume. In this case, Euro USD is 0.01. Let's look at another instrument. Let's look at Crash 300. So you navigate to details, and as you can see from here, the minimal volume for Crash 300 is 0.05. So your first trade that you place, make sure you are placing it with a minimal volume. Okay, and that is it. And so let's look at how you then place your first trade. Let's open Euro USD. So now that we know that the minimal volume for Euro USD is 0.01, we will now click on trade like this. When you click on trade, now you tap here. This is where you can dynamize the lots, or you can make the lots dynamic. So you can select 0.01 from here, and then it's either you click on a buy or a sell. If you are clicking on a sell, it means you are speculating that price or the candlesticks that you've read about is going to go lower. And then if you click on buy, it means you are speculating that the candlesticks will go higher. So let me click on buy like this. And once you click on buy like that, then congratulations, you've placed your first trade. You've placed your first trade. Now, if you want to look at how it looks like after you place your first trade, you're going to click on the trade position like this. If you are using Android, then you are going to long press on the trade position. So once you long press on it, now you navigate to the fourth option, which is the chart. As you click on the chart, you'll be able to see the position that you've placed, or the trade that you've placed yourself on that particular instrument like that. And now when you tap on the line of the trade position like that, you'll see an option here which says SL and TP. Now SL means stop loss. It means what amount are you willing to risk using what capital are you willing to risk for this position, and take profit is what levels are you expecting price to hit before you close your position in profit. So when you tap on SL, then you push this line somewhere below like this, then you click on the arrow sign from here, then you tap on modify. Then you've been able to set your stop loss at this point. Then you tap on the trade position again. Then the next thing, you tap on TP, which is take profit. Then you push the take profit above. Okay, you push it to the top like that. Then you click the arrow here, and then you tap on modify, and then you are done. So now this is your trade position. Below is your stop loss, and then above is your TP. Now let's look at another instrument, and that will end the video. So let's take boom 300. I said the first thing you need to do is you need to know the details of the instrument, so that you know the minimal lot size for that instrument. So details. Then when we look at this instrument, which is boom 300 index, the minimal lot is 1 lot, and so you place a trade using the minimal lot. So you click on trade now, then this is the minimal lot, 1.0 lot. Then it's either you click a buy or a sell. The first one we clicked a buy, so now let's click on sell. So congratulations, you've placed your second trade. And then now if you want to modify the trade position and set your take profit and stop loss, you need to click. If it's Android, you long press. If it's iPhone, you just click on it. And then the fourth option, which is chart, you click on it like that. From here, you should be able to modify your trade position by clicking on the line of the position like that. So you'll be able to see SL and TP, which I said is your stop loss and then your take profit respectively. Once you click on SL, then you push it above like that to know how much you want to risk for the trade. And then you can also tap TP at the same time, and then you push it below to also check how much you want to gain from this trade position. After that, you click, let me see, you take profit somewhere here. After that, you click the arrow which is beside it like that, and then you tap on modify, and this will modify your position respectively. Now that you know how to place your first trade, you can join my Telegram channel, which is this channel here, which I'm going to leave a link in the description below, so that you can be able to trade some of the signals from my Telegram channel. You can trade it both on demo accounts and on real accounts, as you are still in the learning process on how to trade boom and crash. And this is it. And so I think that is it for now. Let me catch you in my next video. Macro FX here.